dogs and my... God, you dirty...
A deputy responded to a woman who claimed her ex-boyfriend had stolen her dogs. The officer tried to explain that the situation was a civil matter and would need to be handled in court. But instead of accepting the explanation, the woman became increasingly angry, hurling insults and vulgar language at the deputy. The situation escalated when she began repeatedly calling 911 more than 6 times. And during one of those calls, she even claimed it was a life-or-death emergency. Deputies later visited her home to address what they believed was a misuse of the 911 system. What happened next was captured on Bodycam footage.
Alright. You hung up on me 10 times. Are you calling me because they...
Can you hang up the phone? Can you hang up the phone?
Do you need medical attention?
No.
She's advising no meds.
Badass. Alright, thank you.
We're here. So how can we help you?
I don't need your shit. I need you to go get my dogs. No, you're not? Okay. Thank you.
Hold on a second. I want to explain something to you real quick, all right?
Hey.
So you call 911 like the way you did?
222, I copy. So far?
So far?
She just slammed the door in our faces and told us to fuck off.
I reported my dogs. If you're not gonna get my dogs, get the fuck off my property.
I need to explain something to you.
I don't need you to
what
explain
you
shit
doing,
to
calling us the way you are,
me. If you want to
is
explain
a
something,
criminal
tell me,
offense.
Can you pass? Can you pass the test?
Pass what test?
Can you pass the test?
I can pass any test, yes. What
I'm
test
sorry.
are you trying to have me pass?
I'm sorry. Get off my property. You're not gonna get my dogs. Get off my property. My shit was stolen. I pay Nappy's vet bill.
I could explain some options for you.
I don't want options. I want my fucking dog.
Okay.
And you're not gonna do that. So get the fuck.
So you don't want to know the options that you have?
I don't have options. I want my fucking dog.
Okay.
And you're not gonna get my dog. So please, just leave. Okay? You're not gonna get my dog?
So.
I don't care what you have to say. You're not gonna get my dog, right?
But you don't care what
that
I have to say.
That I pay for?
But you don't care what I say.
What do you have to say to me?
So.
What the fuck do you have to say to me?
So.
That I don't already know.
I don't think you do know, honestly, ma'am.
Oh my god. What? They know I'm black or something? Now you gotta send fucking 5 of you? Get the fuck away from me.
Do you know?
You're not gonna get my dog? Get the fuck away from me. You aren't worth a.
What I want you to
go
do.
Fucking patrol some dumb spot. Go patrol Plum Coast like you have been. Go gang up on the fucking city like you have been. Do your pointless fucking work and don't do a goddamn thing for me because you're not gonna do shit for me.
Can I explain something?
I paid $3 grand for this fucking dog and for my ex to come in and fucking take him. You. No offense. You. Go fucking post up.
Yep.
Get the fuck out of my yard. Nobody fucking needs you.
So,
it's a civil matter that they can't even help. Get the fuck out my yard.
No, here's the deal. I'm
No! You bald you fucking skinhead you racist. Go gang up on somebody else, you racist. Go post up. You work for me, you This is what the fuck you do. You're a fucking civil fucking help. Get the fuck out of here. Get off my yard. Go post up. Go fucking waste your time sitting somewhere else.
You're wasting my time
you
right
fat
now by
skinhead over and over and over. You don't work for dispatch, you fat. You sit in a fucking yard. Shut the fuck up and get the what the fuck do you do? Do you answer phone calls? No. Get the out of here. You're not needed. They have it under control. They have it well under control. Get the out of here, you skin-headed. You short. You fat. You slow.
So,
You can't even pass a f***ing test. Go join the army. Go be in the f***ing reserves. But you can't do that. But you can't f***ing do that. That's why you already are. Get the f*** out of here. Nobody needs you. Nobody needs you.
So I'm gonna explain a couple things to you.
And go f***ing run my tags. Make sure you see me. Make sure you f***ing get me out there because you have nothing better to do. Get your bald-headed ass out of my... Get off my... No, shut up. Hold on one second.
Don't tell me to shut up.
Shut up. I can. Get off my f***ing property. All of you.
So...
Get off my f***ing property, you fat bitch.
One option you have...
You short little fat...
Look up on Google, okay? And
Shut up.
Misuse,
get off my property.
Misuse of 911, which is a criminal offense. All right?
Get off my property.
And disorderly conduct.
You called like 9 times.
Yeah, I know. I've been trying to get the 911s, but...
She sent them. If I'm correct, it's not a misdemeanor exception. We have to see her do it to take her.
Yeah.
But we can forward on it with the recording.
I was just trying to give her some options, but...
I was hoping she would just call while we're standing there. Well, and then that's when she goes.
Well, that, she was getting very, very close to me. Where I thought she was going to hit me, and then murder me, so at that level.
Who's primary on it? Can we just forward charges for misuse of 911?
I gotta confirm her picture.
Yeah, just look up in David. Then take the recordings they sent us and just attach it to the file.
It's not misuse, you dumb. My dog is gone. That I paid $3 grand for. He's f***ing gone.
Well, we tried.
So you.
Look up
You're not worth a.
Look up
You're not worth a.
Look up
Get off my property.
Look up disorderly
Get the out.
Look up disorderly.
You. You and you. Get the off. You think you're so hot because you're fucking mad on my property? Get the out, you.
You got enough
Go
info.
each
Hey,
other.
hope you find your dog.
Each other.
Have a good night.
Go
Good luck finding your dog.
fuck you.
Enjoy your night.
You just throw rocks?
Are you throwing rocks at us?
Yep,
I
let's go.
threw
Come
rocks
on.
in my yard.
Come here. Throw rocks. Come here.
I didn't throw rocks. Get away from me! I didn't throw rocks at you!
Yes, you did.
No, I
Yes, you did. Yes, you did.
I threw rocks.
Put your hands on your back now.
Stop resisting.
Ow! I threw
Stop
rocks in my
resisting.
yard.
Stop resisting. Got one.
No, look where the rocks went!
Stop resisting now.
I'm not resisting.
You're under arrest.
Look where the rocks went!
You threw it right at us.
No, you're lying!
You definitely threw them at us.
No, my dog's in there alone, please.
Nope.
I didn't. I
You did
threw
this
them
yourself.
dead.
You absolutely did.
No, because there's no. You know what? I have cameras. I have cameras in my front yard. I didn't throw rocks at you. I threw them down, and it's on my camera. So, fine. It's on my camera. You've done this before to my ex. I didn't. You know I didn't throw rocks at you. They didn't even touch you. You heard them, and you heard. My dog is in there. Please let me tell my mom.
Where's your mom?
She's in St. Augustine. Nobody is here. Nobody is here, and I threw them in the yard. It's on my camera.
Well, we have that. We can tack on the misuse.
Oh yeah, we have that. We can back on you skinheaded. It's on my camera, and you. Ow! I can't. I threw the rocks at my. God, you dirty. You can't take me talking shit to you. You have to do this to me? I threw the rocks in my yard. I don't even. Oh no, my dog. I can't. My dog. My baby.
Come on, take a seat.
No, my baby. Okay, but my baby. I didn't. You know I didn't, just like you know I didn't. It's this fucking skinhead.
Put your feet in the car.
Nobody's even at. Nobody is here. I have to call. Please, I know.
You'll have your chance to call. Get in the car.
No, I don't have any shoes. The jail's dirty. I didn't do anything to you, and it's gonna come on camera.
We're gonna drag you in the car.
And you attacked my door.
If I have to pull you in this car, I will. But I don't want to.
But I know because you know I did
I'll keep talking to you if you put your feet in the car.
Get that skinhead the out of here, you racist! You racist mother! Yeah, record me! You're racist! And I fucking threw rocks in my yard and he's... Oh, you racist.
Come on, have your seat in the car.
We're making race comments as you out here. We're making race comments.
Come on, put your feet in the car.
I threw rocks in my yard and I'm allowed to do that.
Come on.
Get out the car.
I threw rocks in my yard. Please, my mom isn't even home. She doesn't know. This is so unfair. You're arresting me at my house. I threw rocks in my own yard. It's on video. It's on video. It's on video. It's on video. You can't get away with it. It's on video. Dear God, please. Please let them see the light. Please let them see the truth. Dear God, please. You know I didn't throw anything at them. You know I didn't throw anything at them, God. Please, I knew better. I knew better. I knew better, and it's on video. I knew better. It's on video. I threw it straight down. I will show you the video. I will show you the video. It's on video. What does he not get? What is it? It's on video. Come in my house. I will show you the video. And you're ignoring me. And you're ignoring me because you want me to go to jail. It's on video. I have a ring cam. I knew better. I know better. And it's on video. Please take me home. Please take me home. I won't make another call. I will just be with my tutu and I won't say anything and I'll just miss my dogs. I just wanted my dogs back, please. Please don't make me do this. It is literally my mom's birthday. Like, I was out for my mom's birthday. Her birthday is January 22nd. Her name is Please, please. She's not even around here to come get me out, please. Because you know I didn't do anything wrong and nobody's coming to get me, please.
As a result of the incident, she was charged with assault on an officer, misuse of the 911 system, and resisting an officer without violence. If you found this video informative, make sure to like, comment your thoughts below, and subscribe for more real police body cam footage and true crime content.